I've just been browsing Bloomberg television. Now, the name Bloomberg will be familiar to anyone with any interest in finance. Bloomberg is the central nervous system of global finance. And Bloomberg has just entrusted its data to Apstra's intent-based networking technology. So what's it all about? Connecting decision makers to a dynamic network of information, people and ideas, Bloomberg television is an essential part of this network. It's housed in Bloomberg's spectacular HQ in the City of London, which was designed by Sir Norman Foster and won the 2018 Sterling Prize for being one of the most environmentally efficient office buildings ever built. Bloomberg television, available in almost 450 million households worldwide, is also delivered to the Bloomberg Terminal, which guides the world's financial elite with indispensable real-time data, news and analysis. Maintaining a seamless schedule of 8 hours of live TV and 4 hours of live radio every day requires a world-class network infrastructure. Bloomberg Television's media production network connects the central studio, 3 other broadcast positions, 2 recording studios, a photography studio and 3 control rooms and all of Bloomberg TV's production equipment. The all-IP data network is huge. It includes over 90 network nodes, over 400 40 gigabit Ethernet network fabric links, over 4,000 network ports and over 2,000 live network endpoints. They connect over links running Ethernet at 10, 40 and 100 gigabits per second. Oh, and there's a 14 petabyte video storage system. With a worldwide audience of millions, Bloomberg wanted automation to continuously check, monitor and validate the health of the network. The checklist of stringent compliance requirements included a dashboard showing the health of the network and compliance to the operations, security and compliance departments. So Bloomberg needed a single platform to collect telemetry from any number of switch models and vendors, to normalize all data and to store it so the engineering teams could query it in real time. After researching several options, Bloomberg Television chose Apstra. Perhaps a surprising choice, because Apstra has been known for powering enterprise and cloud services data centers via its intent-based data center automation.
It's a very interesting customer win for Apstra, and I think one of the things that stands out is that this is an example of a campus deployment. Apstra has focused traditionally on data center infrastructure deployments, but obviously this is an example of sort of campus environments actually being reconfigured and built using data center technologies.
They're using this for their broadcast television application, which is running on a network of over 4,000 nodes. They're using Apstra intent-based networking, and they're also taking advantage of the fact that Apstra is completely vendor agnostic and supports multiple vendors, both vendors and open source.
It's a pure software-based solution that supports a choice of different hardware and vendors and switch operating systems. The other aspect of the Apstra solution that's unique is that it is a genuine level 2 intent-based networking solution heading very quickly into level 3, meaning it is based on a single source of truth as the foundation, a graph data store that represents all the states, and then on top of this single source of truth, the Apstra solution implements intent-based continuous validation of state, essentially providing deep visibility into the fabric, into the network, and ensuring that intent is indeed being met. And that is the foundation for self-healing and self-operation, which is level 3 intent-based networking.
Yeah, I think automating the data center, I think it's becoming an essential thing for a lot of organizations, the need for more automation within their data center footprint. Data centers are becoming more complex in terms of their topography, extending out to the edge and encompassing multiple cloud environments. The need to deal with growing volumes of data, a lot of that generated from end devices devices and sensors, and the need to support more complex types of applications. So managing that complexity and introducing greater operational efficiency is essential, and automation is a way of doing that.
Bloomberg Television's IT team were impressed by the value, simplicity and importance of the solution's telemetry and analytics capabilities. For the first time, they had a cohesive understanding of what was happening and when in their TV network environment.
So what I like about the solution that Apstra is providing for Bloomberg TV is the fact that this is an example of an enterprise with a really specific need. And I think if we look at enterprises that are trying to adopt digital transformation and new tools to assist that, they all have quite individual needs at the moment. So Apstra couldn't just take a cookie cutter approach. They had to go in there, they had to really work with the client to understand their need and to create a solution that would deliver true business value for Bloomberg. And that's what they did. You know, the intent-based networking solution is a great way of simplifying the network and ensuring that high-quality network performance that is essential for a product such as Bloomberg TV.
With its exceptional demand of delivering a seamless experience to millions of viewers worldwide, is Bloomberg Television a one-off case? Or are there other organisations that could benefit from intent-based network automation?
I think the reality is that businesses and enterprises that aren't being innovative and not adopting new technologies such as big data analytics, such as IoT, are going to be at a disadvantage in the future. So therefore, they need to adopt these new technologies, but that's really difficult if you have an existing complicated environment. So what Apstra's solution is helping customers do is go into their existing environment and enable them to adopt these new technologies and really, benefit from the promise of digital transformation, from the promise of IoT, and deliver, transformational business outcomes.
So there we have it, a glimpse inside Bloomberg's worldwide television broadcast system, whose central nervous system is a state-of-the-art intent-based network created by Apstra.
It should actually set a precedent for Apstra, I think, in terms of helping it win similar deals in similar campus environments and financial services organisations and in other sectors as well. So I think it's definitely an exciting one, and one that they'll want to generate publicity and momentum over.